Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today I'm gonna give you the Odoo Admin Overview. So the dashboard, apps, menu settings, journal, UI navigation. Okay, so first of all, let's go to the apps menu, the grid icon. So here you can see that for the Odoo, here you can see we have a grid icon, right? So here, whatever the apps we are installing, it shows over here, right? So this is like that one. Okay, the next one, that is the top menu bar where we have a company switcher, notification bell, activities block. So here you can see that the top bar that we have notifications, okay, then activities, then company switcher, online, offline, my preferences, uninstall app, and the logout. Okay, the next we have the breadcrumbs. So whenever we track something else, so they have the navigation and click any segment to jump back. Means if I go with my, suppose, let's take an example of the contacts. Okay, so let's go to the configurations, right? Contact tags. Okay, so and there is something, let's go to let's click on this. There is something, I think it should be breadcrumbs, track on navigation path, record, click on any segment to jump back. So basically, like suppose, but I'm unable to judge that one, if maybe milk delivery has, okay, not this delivery routes. I think here also it is not. Let's take a look of the products. I'm 100% sure there it will be. So let's go to the inventory, deliver, products. Okay, here we can see the product, and here we can see I can go back with the linking of the products, go to the website. Okay, I can redirect to that one. So this kind of, you can see, these are the breadcrumbs where we track the things, right? Now we have a views. Most apps offer the list, kanban, form, calendar, pivot. So what exactly it means, if I go back this and go to contacts, here we have, this is list view, this is kanban view, okay, and this is your activity. Okay, so this is that one, search and the filter. So any of the contacts, if you're going there, we have a search filter, right? So you can filter it out accordingly. Okay, now we have a settings, right? So central hub for the general settings. So if I go to the basic settings of the application, you have to go to the settings. Okay, so these are the settings, right? So the languages, companies, right? And here the unit of my emails, discuss, right? What, this is the custom module that I have made, so we can add it over here, which we are going to learn in the later videos, right? So this is that one. And if you want to activate the developer mode, so click on this one and it will activate the developer mode. Okay, so now if we go to the apps, right? So here you can see the update app list, schedule, import modules, so everything is there, right? And if you want to install the modules, just go there and just search that module and you have to activate that module. So this is the basic overview of the Odoo admin. Later on we will do the next part, that is the day 2, that is the company configuration. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.